Citation styles. There are different citation styles, such as APA, MLA, and Chicago, used to format research papers and essays. Understanding these styles is crucial for proper referencing. APA style, favored by social sciences, focuses on the author's name and publication year. It is used to cite sources within the text. MLA style, loved by humanities, centers on the author's name and page number. It uses a works cited list at the end. Chicago style, popular with history and arts, offers two systems, notes and bibliography, and author date. It provides flexibility in citation. Inconsistency in these styles can lead to plagiarism. So, grasp them well. Master the art of citation, and let your research shine with clarity and integrity.